Hi everybody, this is Tom Willard with the video blog of the week. I'm recording this on Saturday, July 17, 2010. I want to take a look at the QQQQ again. This is the daily chart. Okay, those of you guys that are following my video blog saw that I called this short right here after this day, this big red day, and I said look for, it was too extended, but we want to look for a 60-minute pattern, and it gave me exactly what I wanted. Hopefully you guys got short there as well. It exceeded my expectations wildly. Was a very, very profitable trade. You can make money in this market. It's not that hard. Now, this the market came all the way back up, retraced a little over 50%, and looking hardcore short here. And then Friday, yesterday, was the day to get short. I don't know if you got in there with me. If you did, great. If you didn't, don't worry. You'll get chances. You'll get more chances. But right now, you should be short. Initial target area is right here. Secondary target is here. If it hits it aggressively, hold on and try to ride it down even further. Okay. Use whatever techniques you use in your system to maximize and lock in profits, as well as not cut your winners short. Okay. Now, I want you guys to look at the weekly real quick. You'll see here on the weekly that we've come quite a long ways here. We've double topped here on the macro sense, come down, and what a lot of people are saying, this is a head and shoulders type of thing, which it is in a sense. This right shoulder is a lot more whippy and ugly, and that's why I don't believe this is going to be nice, clean, crisp bars down to this area. I think it's going to be whippy mess, where stops will be taken out and you have to look to just get back in. Right now, though, my bias is lower. Okay. Now, could some amazing news come out of Asia or Europe or even America next week, and this thing turns around and goes up and takes out these highs? Could it happen? Yes or no? I'm going to go ahead and hallucinate and say yes, we could go higher here. Anything can happen. That's why you have to have a method with stops. We are not right. I am not right 100% of the time. But I'll tell you what, you want to have the odds in your favor, then you bet on the short side right now. Okay, that doesn't mean it's going to work. It doesn't mean we're not going to go higher. It doesn't mean we're not going to take out the high. But that's why you have plans in place to get stopped out, to take your stops. So if I get stopped out here, if it comes back up here, great. I'm going to still look to get back in short unless something radically changes. Then guess what I'll do? I'll go long. If it actually gives me reason and a pattern that I'm looking for that shows me it's failing to go down, I'll go long. You've got to be dynamic. You've got to be flexible. You got to stay on your toes, and you got to be on top of your game. Okay, but right now it's short, kids. And if you're short with me, great. If you're not, don't worry. You might get a chance. It may come up, may stop out some people here. You can get back in. Okay, it may base and give you a situation where you can go lower. Okay, the thing is, you're unstoppable if you've got a method where you're flexible like mine. Okay, if you don't have a method and you don't know what you're doing, hey, just email me. All right, tom@tomwillardtrading.com. I'll see what I can do to help you out. Anyway, the 60 here I want to show you really quick is it's extended, and this speaks to the fact that you really can't get short here because you've got no place to put your stop except way up here. And with a stop up here and an entry here, your reward to risk is a little blown. Okay, because yes, it can easily come back down here, but I like to err on the side of conservatism, and my first target needs to be a 3-to-1, typically on an R-to-R basis. Okay, reward to risk. I think that's it for this week, guys. Have a great week trading. Again, email me, tom@tomwillardtrading.com, if you got any questions, and I'll be posting my psychological blog on Thursday on my written blog. And if you, like I said, got any questions, just shoot me an email. Have a great week trading, and we'll talk to you next week.